Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In today's 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to create the KPI card. I will select the KPI card icon from the visualization pane and drag and drop it to the canvas. I will then drag new demand column to the value field and date to trend axis. Here target is the field against which the KPI will be measured against. I will add capacity as my target value. Now KPI card is created. Let's add a date slicer to understand where the demand hits the target. Drag and drop slicer icon and then add date to the field. Now we can see that KPI card turns red or green depending on the time period. If the target is achieved, then it's green. If not, then red. If you want to learn Power BI from scratch or clear your Power BI basics, click on the video on your screen. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.